Hi, I'm Dan Palomino with Keller Williams Realty Maui, Big Island, and the Hawaii team. Well, today I'm at Honokohau Harbor in Kailua-Kona. Now, many people come to the harbor because they're going on a fishing excursion, they're going on whale watching, or they're coming up to one of the retail shops down here. But what many people didn't know is right here in the harbor is a really great restaurant. It's called the Harbor House. And not surprisingly, it's known for its fish. And generally when I come, I get a fish sandwich because it's really good. You just ask the waitress, what's the fresh fish of the day? It's usually ono or ahi. And I just enjoy the sandwiches here. But there's all kinds of great things like poke, and there's fish and chips. And the burgers are really good. And yes, you can get healthy options like a turkey burger or a veggie burger. They've got a pretty diverse menu. So you might want to check it out next time you're blowing through Kona. And as you can see from the video that I've shot here, it's really nice scenery. You've got a nice view of the harbor. You can watch the boats coming in and out. Frequently, you'll see the fishermen coming in and they've got their flag raised and you can see what they caught. And they usually take it right down here on the deck and they clean it. And so you can see them bringing in an ono, or you can see them bringing in some ahi, or you can see them bringing in marlin or a swordfish. If you got kids, it's kind of fun for the kids. But so next time you're by Honokohau Harbor, it's more than just the harbor and the boats. It's also a really good restaurant. My wife and I like to come here a lot for lunch because it's about 10 minutes from the house and it's an easy meeting place for both of us. So again, as I always say, check it out, tell me what you think, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up or a comment here on our YouTube channel. And as always, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, contact us here at the Hawaii team. 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha!